Our body, full, concentrated over 90 years of experience. We are the heritage that guides our days. The effort that hides behind every door. We began, we grew, and we have matured. New beginnings that with time have become tradition. Our taste, bittersweet. Perfectly balanced effort meets excellence. We are the expertise found within each action, the knowledge, the know-how in every gesture. We are the ideas, the minds, the imagination, the innovation that unfolds within each creation. We research, cultivate, and envision. New discoveries that evolve into renowned inventions. Our flavor, complex, full of passion and dedication. We are calm thoughts and engaging conversations. The reliable voice and trusted support. We understand, we care, and we connect. The type of devotion that forms only long-lasting relations. Our aroma, rich. Widespread with different people and all different places. We are year after year, day after day, today's coffee and tomorrow's. We are the morning brew, mid-afternoon interval, and post-dinner relax. We flow, we fill, and we fascinate. Numerous paths with one vision. Captivating senses across the globe. The aftertaste, timeless. Rancilio Group, great coffee and beyond.